Welcome to English Easy Talk podcast. This is the best place to learn simple English. Here, we help you speak English every day. No difficult grammar, no hard words. Just easy and useful conversations.
Hello, everyone. We're happy you're here. If you want to speak English with confidence, stay with us. Today's topic is simple English for daily life. You will hear real conversations. Let's start learning together. Daily conversations.
Hi. How are you today? I'm feeling good this morning. The weather is nice today. It's a good day to learn English. How about you?
Hello, I'm doing well, thank you. Yes, the weather is beautiful. I feel motivated today. Learning English makes me happy. Let's have a great day.
I wake up early every day. First, I brush my teeth. Then I drink a glass of water. After that, I eat breakfast. My day starts calmly.
I usually wake up at 7. I like to stretch in the morning. Then I make some tea. Breakfast is my favorite meal. Morning time is peaceful.
I am at home right now. I like my house very much. It is small but comfortable. I feel relaxed at home. Home is my safe place.
I feel the same about my home. I enjoy cleaning my room. I listen to music at home. Home helps me feel calm. It's where I rest.
I go to work every weekday. My job starts at 9. I like my co-workers. Work can be stressful sometimes, but I try my best.
I also work during the week. My job keeps me busy. I learn new things every day. Some days are tiring, but I enjoy my work.
When I was a student, I studied hard. School helped me grow. I liked learning new subjects. English was my favorite. Teachers inspired me.
School days were special for me. I enjoyed studying with friends. Group work was fun. English classes were interesting. I practiced speaking a lot.
Excuse me, can you help me? I don't understand this part. Could you explain it again? I want to learn correctly. Thank you for helping.
Of course I can help you. Don't worry about mistakes. Learning takes time. You are doing great. Keep practicing.
I want to buy a shirt. How much is this one? Do you have another color? I like simple clothes. Thank you for your help.
This shirt is very popular. It comes in many colors. You can try it on. The price is affordable. I think it suits you.
I'm hungry right now. I want something simple, maybe rice or bread. I like home-cooked food. It tastes better.
I enjoy cooking at home. Simple food is healthy. I like vegetables and soup. Eating together is nice. Food brings people closer.
Can I see the menu, please? I want to order lunch. What do you recommend? I don't want spicy food. Thank you very much.
I recommend the chicken meal. It's very delicious. Would you like a drink? The food will be ready soon. Enjoy your meal.
What time is it now? I think it's almost noon. Time goes fast. I need to be on time. Punctuality is important.
Yes, it's nearly 12. We should hurry a little. Being on time shows respect. I like planning my time. It helps me stay calm.
I exercise in the evening. It keeps me healthy. I usually walk outside. Fresh air feels good. Exercise gives me energy.
I like light exercise too. Yoga helps me relax. I do it at home. It clears my mind. Health is important.
Today I feel happy. Learning English makes me confident. I feel proud of myself. Progress feels good. I will keep going.
I feel happy too. Confidence grows with practice. Small steps matter. You are improving every day. Don't give up.
I like spending time with friends. We talk and laugh together. Good friends support you. They make life better. Friendship is valuable.
Friends are very important. They listen to us. They help us grow. I'm grateful for my friends. Life is better with them.
Hello, this is John speaking. How are you today? I'm calling to check in. Is now a good time? I won't take long.
Hi, John. I'm fine. Yes, this is a good time. Thanks for calling. How can I help you? I'm listening.
Do you want to meet tomorrow? We can practice English together. Maybe in the afternoon. Let me know your time. I'm flexible.
That sounds great. Tomorrow afternoon works for me. Let's meet at 4. I'm excited to practice. See you then.
It's very sunny today. I like warm weather. It makes me feel active. The sky is clear. It's a nice day.
Yes, the weather is lovely, perfect for going outside. I enjoy sunny days. They improve my mood. Nature is beautiful.
I like traveling to new places. I learn about different cultures. Traveling improves my English. I talk to new people. It's exciting.
Traveling is a great experience. You learn many things. Meeting new people is fun. It builds confidence. I love exploring.
Sometimes learning is hard. I make mistakes, but I don't stop. Mistakes help me learn. I stay positive.
That's the right attitude. Everyone makes mistakes. They are part of learning. Keep practicing daily. You will improve.
Practice English every day. Even 10 minutes helps. Speak without fear. Don't wait for perfection. Just start.
Yes, consistency is key. Listen and repeat. Use simple sentences. Enjoy the process. Learning should be fun.
You can learn English. It is possible for everyone. Believe in yourself. Small steps matter. Never give up.
We believe in you. Your journey matters. Progress takes time. Stay patient. You are doing great.
I practice speaking every day. I talk to myself sometimes. It helps my confidence. Speaking is important. Practice makes progress.
That's a great method. Speaking daily improves fluency. Don't worry about errors. Focus on communication. You are learning.
I enjoy a simple life. Less stress, more peace. Simple English helps communication. Life becomes easier. Simplicity is powerful.
Simple living is beautiful. Clear communication matters. Simple English is effective. Anyone can understand. That's the goal.
This channel helps you speak. English Easy Talk is for you. We focus on real English, easy and practical lessons for daily life.
Subscribe to English Easy Talk. Listen and practice with us. New episodes every time. Improve your English step by step. We're here for you.
Thank you for listening today. We hope you learned something new. Keep practicing daily English. See you in the next episode. Goodbye for now.
Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like and share. Practice makes confidence. See you next time. Bye, everyone.